Sasakay kami dito, guys. Oh my God. It's my first time sumakay sa small cruise ship. Ganon. Kineme. Kahit nakasakay na ako ng barko, kumbaga iba pa rin sa feeling. I hope naririnig nyo ako. I'm not using my mic for some reason. I don't know why. Hindi ko siya ma-pair. Hindi ko siya ma-connect. Nagka-problem. I'll fix it later na lang. Oh my God! So, meron pa doon. And meron din doon. Nagtrabaho dyan dati yung aking asawa. Yung sa malaki na yun. Sabi niya, 2 years. Kaya alam niya na gaano siya kasipag. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Yes. Wala na kaming mauupuan. Pagod. Pagod maglakad kanina pa. Grabe.
买VIP，我操他妈这有点坑了，有点小套路了。Look guys, Shaohaoli. Wow. Ayun pala yung Raffles City guys, yung parang parehas sa Singapore. Nag-mini cruise ship pala kami. Ayan. Wow. Ito yung bridge. Wow, nakakakaba. Sasabit ba? I think no. Na-measure nila yan. Wow, na-measure. Ayun, may other, may other small ship. Tama ba?
Pero alin ng tulay, may kaagin pa kagayaran din. Kaya gani, sa ating China, no? Tapos naman, nag-aagin pa. So, yan. Tulay sa ibaba sa ilalim LRT.
Look at that, guys. I hope you can hear me. I finally fixed my, my mic. This is the reason why I decided to put a mic para marinig niyo ako. Kasi pag walang mic yung gamit kong camera, hindi niyo ako maririnig. Especially when I'm outside and maraming tao, maingay gano'n. Ayun o, tingnan mo, may tren o. Ayun o, sa taas o, may tren.
Ayun o, may train o. Train o.
Hi. Hi. Yes.
Yate. Ah? Ano yun?
Ayun yung Raffles City, guys. Para siyang Singapore. Ayan.
And ano?
Ito yung work here. Ito.
Yes, more than that.
Ayan o, nagtrabaho dito si G. Ayan o, dyan.
Malaki ah. Sa Century Oasis na yan.
Yan ang barko?
Oo.
Naging ship cook siya dyan.
Oo.
Yan daw na barko. Naging ship cook yung barko na yan. Hindi, ito maliit.
Yung doon, yung Century Oasis, yung may malaki-laki. Ganda ng tulay, oh.
Oo, ganda ng tulay. Grabe. Ay, puli lang yung tatlo. Then, dapat mo video para natin dyan sa TV.
Yung Raffles City, oh, guys. Oh my God. Pagpasensya niyo na kung maingay ka, busy ko yung, pa-video call ko yung aking Mudra House. Wow.
At pati ayan ka ran, ikot.
Oo, iikot. Makikita ata yung Hongyadong ba? Look at the Raffles City, guys. Yes. Chow Tianmen. Oh my God, iikot tayo. Ayan.
游客朋友们，我们的游船已进入了嘉陵江。嘉陵江发源于陕西境内，全长1500公里，是长江流域
Gayahin natin
最
si
大的支
Kuya,
流。
naka-DJI
嘉
siya,
陵江
so
目前
gaganon
雨
ko
水
rin.
是重庆
Oh my God!
感谢嘉陵江的。欣赏到新重庆的山水路桥的壮美，领略到山城美景的绝妙与神奇。在我们的右边是靠上游的陆家嘴，中国金融放肆
Ang ganda ng Raffles City, guys! Oh my God! No joke.
上游江北嘴，下游陆家嘴。基于国家大剧院，位于第2位的重庆大剧院。大剧院的设计以
Up
孤单
close
人影为主题，表
sa
面选用浅绿色玻璃，整个大
Raffles
剧院
City.
在
Oh
3
my
面
God!
环水的围绕
Chow
中，外形
Tianmen.
酷似玻璃时空船。在设计上利用水的恒温原理，让屋内冬暖夏凉，成为水空调。其使用面积将达到3万平方米，相当于4个标准足球场。这也成为全世界最大的水空调实用建筑。重庆大剧院由设计中央电视台新大楼的中外专家共同打造，由片状墙壁构成，既像帆船，又游于水中原始，象征着重庆人民顽强坚韧的性格特质。紧邻大剧院的重庆科技馆，从空中仰看，犹如一个区被遗留存过的短暂王朝，也是身在韩国的明氏后裔每年前来的祭拜之地。此外，江北嘴还有百年基督教堂、3栋桥民俗风情街、中央公园等文化底蕴深厚的功能娱乐设施，使江北嘴这个未来之城和纪念之城交相辉映。游客朋友们，游船的左边是嘉陵江滨江路，它与另一侧的长江滨江路相连接，长约10公里，1997年全线贯通。这是山城的能工巧匠们在克服了江边阴影、水川险壁后，建成了
Look
重
at
庆
the
第一
view.
条
I think we're
是
heading
西接成都高速公路东沿朝天门水运河，
Hongyado,
直通
if
三
I'm
峡
not
库区的新城
mistaken.
市交通网络。
Ayun.
同时，
Ito Hongyadong
也
na?
为重庆增添了一道新的
Oh my God! Hongyadong na there! Oh my
Ladies and
God!
gentlemen, our cruise has already entered the Jialing River, which is originated from northwest mountains, waters, roads and bridges, and appreciate the wonderfulness of the night view of the evening dot as the Manhattan of China. On our right side lies Jiangbeizi CBD, China's #3 financial area. The shocking building in front of us now, a crystal clear glass house, is Chongqing Grand Theatre, whose scale is second only to the National Center for the Performance Arts in
Wow,
Beijing.
Hongyadong na guys!
Light green
We're reaching Hongyadong!
The
Oh my
entire
God!
Grand Theatre is surrounded by three sides by water looks much like a glass boat through space and time. With the constant temperature principle of water used in design, it is warm in winter and cool in summer inside, making a water conditioner. With its usage area to reach 30,000 square meters, equivalent to the size of full standard football pitches, it has become the world's largest building using a water conditioner.
Ayun o, may train o sa ano ng bridge.
Has been
Yun.
performed by world's top singing and dancing troops.
Wala na. Ayun o, hunyadong.
For Chongqing City
Ilalim ang ano.
Ayun o.
Theatre, Lies Chongqing Science and Technology Museum. That is
Ayan,
one of the
hunyadong na.
is your palace.
Yan yung maraming ilaw na building.
Walang FRT dati.
Lahat yan daw grabe gani ang Singapore.
Wait, pipicturean ko.
Turan mo.
Picturean ko yung hunyadong. Oh my God.
好的，尊敬的各位朋友、各位来宾，欢迎大家乘坐我们金碧女王游船。我们游船即将发航，在
Ayun
发
ang
航后，首站
hunyadong
游船
guys.
一楼
Oh
中
my
国演出，
God.
将免费的送上一场具有我们
Parang
当地特
hindi
色的
ganun
民俗
karami
文化
yung
演出。
tao.
想要观看演出的朋友，移步到游船一楼多功能影厅。我们今天的演出马上开始，有八言一绝精彩的川剧电影。今天我们老总还特意邀请到了有位神秘的嘉宾，想要为您送上一份大礼，让我们拭目以待。咱们到一楼多功能影厅里边，同样也可以欣赏两张美景。
God.
座位有限，先到先坐，上下台阶注意安全。